USA, Canada is the place to be. Where your friends show up and chill, talking and laughing away. On the CB app, Cat's friends here are the family he chose for himself. They mean the world to him. Buzz, Roxy, Lady M, Papa and Titan pulling up again. Same little circle, big bright love. Right here, right now, you know it feels like home. USA, Canada is our home. USA, Canada is our home. A private getaway, a private getaway. You are my super friend, you are my super friend. And we all stay close. And we all stay close. Buzz brings a spark, Roxy brings a grin. Lady M keeps it sweet, Papa says come in. Titan stands tall like a dog by the door. Cat looks around and smiles, can't ask for more. Buzz, Roxy, Lady M, Papa and Titan pulling up again. Same little circle, big bright love. Right here, right now, you know it feels like home. USA, Canada is our home. USA, Canada is our home. A private getaway, a private getaway. You are my super friend, you are my super friend. And we all stay close. And we all stay close. Not just friends, more like chosen kin. When the day runs long, you bring the sun back in. One chat, one laugh, and the whole room glows. That kind of bond everybody knows.